Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing well, and here the complete professional designer toolkit you can use in Microsoft Office, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and any other software like Adobe InDesign, but these are protected. First you need subscription. Go to sherryskpwd.com and then you have access of my all file, just one time payment for lifetime access. Okay, here save resume with two different size US letter and A4 with three different file format for Photoshop, InDesign, and Adobe Illustrator. Okay, remove cover in Photoshop. Just one layer deleted. 50 font picture geometric backgrounds in high definition. Okay, with three different format. Here 75 vectors. Okay, next 101. Here desktop font, web font, branding mockup for Photoshop. Okay, here 747 MB file, and here same thing. Okay, for Photoshop scene creator. Next, brand manual, InDesign and PDF. Corporate stationery mockup for Photoshop. Okay, crazy box scenes for your visiting card and any other software product. Here are items. Design proposal, Photoshop InDesign. Photoshop, two different size. You can remove this layer in Photoshop. You see the design. Okay, here mockup file. You can put your own logo or text on this design. Okay, icons, SVG file, PNG file, agriculture, business, finance, cinema, children, emotion, and here control, office, network. Next, infographic, Brochure-Elements, AI APS. These files are Adobe Illustrator. Same thing. Okay, but different design. All are not same. ISO ID card for Photoshop. Roster master PDF C4. Here icons. Next, motion background. Missing. You can use for banner background. Multi-purpose product box package mockup. Okay, you can import your product here. Product poster here. Here strip effect. Okay, signboard mockup. All files are PSD. Total size of just this folder 3.21 GB, and here total size 13.9 GB. That means roughly 14 GB. Simple signed map for Photoshop. Here PNG. Okay, and Studio Standard Canny. Here web design contact template for Microsoft Office, and here tab folio, text file TTF, and last these are text file. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe us. Take care, love.